ThinkTank Products Inc. presents its Heatkeeper lid system. You wouldn't heat your house without a roof, and you shouldn't heat water without a lid. Do you know that the Department of Energy states that you can save 50 to 70% of your heating costs just by putting a lid on your water? How is that possible? Everyone knows that water loses heat to the sky, but did you know that 70% of heat is lost through evaporation? It only takes 1 BTU to raise 1 pound of water 1 degree, but each pound of 80-degree Fahrenheit water that evaporates takes a whopping 1,048 BTUs of heat out of the pool. When evaluating water loss characteristics, the Department of Energy concluded that 70% is from evaporation, 20% is radiation to the sky, and the other 10% is losses to the ground and walls. With the Heatkeeper lid system, you can positively affect 90% of the total heat losses. If cutting your daily heating costs by 50 to 70% isn't enough, the Heatkeeper lid system also reduces the time it takes to get your water to temperature by over 50%, lowering your heating costs even further while saving you time. By conserving your energy, you have the added insurance of knowing that if you experience delays on your project, that your water temperatures will be maintained for a much longer period of time without needing additional bumps or the cost of additional heating. By saving so much energy, you are also dramatically reducing your carbon footprint. By eliminating evaporation, you are saving water for the next generation. 2 big wins for the environmental impact of your operations. Protect the local wildlife and prevent contaminants from getting into your water supply. Clean water equals asset protection. With the easy installation of the Heatkeeper lid system, there is no reason not to use one. Each section easily lays out and connects to the next section. Once all the pieces are secured, the lid is inflated and floats easily on the water. The Heatkeeper lid system can also be efficiently installed on tanks that are already full. The patent-pending ballast system secures the lid inside the tank and is proven to withstand winds up to 100 kilometers per hour. The lids are made from the most durable industrial materials, resistant to damage or puncture, but with continuous positive air pressure. Even with a puncture, the lid will always float. With evaporation contributing to the greatest percentage of heat losses, if you are heating water, you need the Heatkeeper lid system for every season of the year. So what does saving 50 to 70% on your daily heating costs look like? We've had customers experience savings of $20,000 per day, with one customer saving over $300,000 on one site. B. How much do you save by reducing your initial heat time by 50%? By storing your heat more efficiently, large frac ponds can reach temperatures up to 2 days sooner, with some customers saving up to $40,000. C. What is your true positive impact on the environment by reducing your carbon footprint and reducing water consumption? Superheaters can burn up to 1,000 liters per hour. With the Heatkeeper lid system, you can save tens of thousands of liters of fuel from being consumed on most jobs. Depending on the environment, you can also save tens of thousands of liters of water from leaving the local water supply. D. Then you have the added insurance of knowing your water temperatures will hold for a longer period of time. The local wildlife is protected, you prevent contaminants from getting into your water supply, and you can avoid significant water and heat loss due to evaporation. With all these benefits, you have everything you need to make ThinkTank's Heatkeeper lid system a permanent part of your water storage solution. Order now and start saving. Contact ThinkTank Products Inc. today to reserve yours or have us calculate your heat savings using engineered heat calculations. ThinkTank Products Inc. Phone number 1-403-556-1991. www.thinktankpi.com. Order yours today. Have us calculate your savings.